What's that? Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, we're gonna play some, okay, redo. Beep! Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today, we're gonna be playing some Roblox, and I'm gonna see if my friend wants to play with me, but just because I like her. As a friend, she's my best friend. Okay. Okay, so this is only my friend here, because, yeah. And we have my other friend that goes to my school. She's like, I'm not gonna say her real name. Oh no. I'm not gonna say her real name, because that will expose too much, but, yes. So, yeah, all I'm saying is the Minecraft, not the Roblox name. Hello Kitty Girl 1867, and this is acceptable with April. Do not, seriously, do not friend them, because they're, I don't know why, but anyway. Just ask her response. Oh. I just need to wait for her response, because I'm too lazy to wait, actually. I just need I don't need to anymore. So you guys know, like, seriously, I'm sometimes sick and sometimes not. Like, I'm sick now because I'm not being gimpy. Yeah. See, I'm sick because I'm not being gimpy. That's technically the only game. Well, that's technically the only one. Well, there's only 10 people allowed. Wow. Okay, we're not playing that then. No? Yep. Oh my god. I just hate it when she doesn't respond to me. Wait, what? Oh my god. Wait, what? Oh. Okay, join me. Yeah, this is funny. Join my game. Okay, join me. Jenna. Then she's like, join me, and I'm like, okay, Jenna. Then I didn't realize, then like, your game is full. I'm gonna try. Hey, join my game please, we can roleplay. Now! And then sorry, I got to go. So I'll do something. Hey! I feel so bad. Why? Hello, join me. I left a friend while riding home and now I'm being yelled at. Who was it? My name is Raven. I didn't know how to spell his name. Yeah. Yeah, she ain't gonna talk to me, so just play a game and hopefully she joins me, so yeah. I love sticking out like that way, which is so nice, because we're best friends at school, so yeah, she doesn't really mind, but neither do I, except when she called me Jen. So annoying. Jen's not even her name. Or someone else's name that I know. Oh, I feel so bad for saying that. No, but why does she have a pig? Oh, I don't know. I don't. Yes. Okay. S. Where's the S? I don't know. Okay, there it is. S. Okay. I need to add a game because, like, she's too lazy to actually. I love my life. And I'm pretty sure she hates her life. What are we going to be playing? Welcome to Roblox. Well, welcome to Roblox. Oh, welcome. Go away! Okay, welcome to Roblox. Depending. I don't know what these games are. I'll go for this one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to join their group. But way more easier, trust me. Oh. Okay, where's the thing? There it is. Could I like please come here? Please, maybe. Okay. Okay. So we're back and she's oh no, someone just why? Why are people texting me at this time? Why, Roblox? Why? Oh. Okay, well who's texting me? Oh. You want me? I join you? Yes, okay. And now I just need to join their thing and then I'll be all good. Where's my egg? Wait, have I joined? What? Can you go away, please? I don't know if I'm a fan. You're a fan. Yeah, I'm a fan. Yeah, I am. Okay. We'll go off there now. Okay, yeah. So took a while to join me, but I'm okay with that because she's my best friend. But what if she's super late? I don't care about that because I'm all good. I hate you. No, Daddy, stop. Daddy. No, Daddy. No. Dead now. Just walk away from this saying I didn't do anything, okay? Yes. Join me. Roblox. Guys, I can only record for 15 minutes because I haven't got the full version of screen recorder. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm Hizzy back. I'll be a cheerleader because that's my favorite. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, now I want some. Wait for my friend to come in. Is that it? Oh, alright. Yeah. I'm back with yet another game. Whee! And my friend has finally joined me. Finally and for like forever. Yeah. Forever. She's a freshman. Oh, here's that little bunny. You're a bunny. You're a bunny. Hey! Hey! Yay! I love bunnies. Come. Oh, are you gonna hurry up or what? Come on, you slowpoke. Oh, fishy? Do you want me to fish you? I'll fish you then. Come on. Thank you. Now I can just relax a bit. Come on, let's go. So. Why did you say yay? You'll see. I love bunnies. Bunnies are cute. Could you hurry up, please? 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 Thank you. Wait, what makes me speed up? You'll see my car. Let's go. Get like the right color. Just what I love colors. What was that? Ah, let's go. Hey, Candy, where are you? Damn it, I'm on the wrong seat. I hate it when that happens. She's still on. Hopefully she is. Globby. Names. Jason the Bunny. Oh, I should call him Jason the Bunny. Hey, Lizzie. Oh. What? Oh, take what's my name? Hey, where are you? We have 3 more minutes left, so might oh, minutes of recording. Yes, right now. Oh, it's really bad. No, I'm not recording. They'll harass me for stuff, and I don't want that really. I don't really want that happening, but I guess. Ah! Bruh. That's not how you spell bruh. That's how you spell bruh. He just crashed into me. You crashed into a YouTuber. You crashed into a YouTuber, you idiot. I don't like you like that. So good to you. Hope you feel better. Oh, did you just? I'm gonna bash into you.
Where are you? What?
Oh my god. I hate it when this happens. It's just like so annoying. I just want my car again. No, I just need to get into my car again. Jim! Well, I'll drive off. Yeah, I can. Like, this way, drive down, please. Quickly, I need help. Okay, I'm gonna wait for him to come out so I can bash him just go. I have 1 more minute left, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know pets. His car. Go. Now. Okay, I'm doing her right now. Okay, I'm going with him because I'm gonna crash into him. Like, for real, I'm gonna. I'll go. Oh, never mind. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.